Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Power of Makeup. So today we are going to make home remedies which clear dark circles and give you clear skin. Some people call it dark rings or shadows. I don't know why they call it like that, because they're not actually like shadows or dark rings, so you don't have to call them like that. Some of the main causes behind their occurrence are heredity, aging, dark skin, too much crying, or sitting in front of computer. Mental or physical stress and lack of sleep, aging could be one factor, but you can get it at any age. If you really want or try, you can get rid of dark circles. Not with beauty products, but with natural home remedies, because natural home remedies will never harm your skin. So today I'm going to tell you a few natural ways which really help you to get rid of dark circles. So we are going to start with our first remedy. For our first remedy, we are going to use almond oil. Almond oil, because it is a great moisturizer and natural ingredient, so it is very good for skin around your eyes. Not only for around eyes, but you can use it for all over your face. What you have to do is regularly use this. With almond oil, you can also use vitamin E oil to cure circles under the eyes. What you have to do is, at night before going to bed, apply a small amount of oil with the help of your fingers over the dark circles, or you can use a cotton to apply almond oil, and gently massage it into the skin. Let it be there overnight. In the morning, you can wash it with plain water. You'll see clear effects in a week. So for our second remedy, we are going to use cucumber juice with lemon to clear dark circles. What you can do is cut the cucumber into small slices and then blend them in blender. Blend it until it becomes juicy. Then mix 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now you have to apply this mixture. You can use your hands or cotton balls to apply the mixture on the affected area. The time for application is 15 minutes, and then wash it off with plain water. Do this remedy daily for at least 1 week. After 1 week, you will see clear effects on your skin. So for our third remedy, we are going to use rose water. Rose water has many benefits, and it has amazing effects for skin problems, but today we are going to use it for fading dark circles. It soothes the skin and gives a relief to the eyes. Rose water is naturally a very good toner. What you have to do is soak 2 cotton pads equal to your dark circles in rose water and let them in rose water for 2 to 3 minutes. Put the soaked pads on your dark circles affected. Let it be there for 15 minutes. Follow this remedy twice daily for a few weeks so you can get best results. Now for our fourth remedy, we are going to use milk. Milk is also have lots of benefits for our skin. Milk contains lactic acid that helps soften and moisturize the skin under the eyes. Milk also has proteins, enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants that are required to strengthen the skin and heal damaged skin. Milk can be used as cold compress to treat dark circles and reduce eye puffiness. What you have to do is soak 2 cotton balls in cold milk that has been in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Place the cotton balls under your eyes and hold them there until they become warm. For best results, follow this remedy 3 or 4 times daily for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you'll see clear effects on your skin, on your dark circles. For our 5th remedy, we are going to use potato to get rid of dark circles under eyes naturally. What you are supposed to do is place 1 to 2 potatoes in refrigerator. Shockingly better on the off chances that you use refrigerated potatoes. After some time, cut the thick slices of the chilled potato. Place slices of chilled potato on your eyes, covering the dark circles. Give it a chance to stay there for something like 15 to 10 minutes. Like 10 to 15 minutes. It will surely help you to remove dark circles. So these were the few natural ways to get rid of dark circles. Hope you like my work, and do not forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time with another video. Till then, stay safe and take care.